struggle, boy. We struggle, boy. Look at them. Oh, they having fun. I wish we could have had that much fun. That's what I answered to say, because we ain't doing nothing having fun down here, nigga. We ain't building shit, nigga. We partying, having fun, shooting one another, drinking, getting high, fucking. Come here, bitch. Boom, boom, fucking like a motherfucker. And everybody else laughing at us while they building ships or storing up their tanks or stocking up the ammunition. And we making noise, having fun like a motherfucker. It's just like drug dealers and gang members. Everybody rappers now. See, once before, everybody wasn't rapper. Even the smart people that went to college and got degrees, they become rappers. Dr. Rose or whatever his name out of Dallas, this son bitch rapping now, stupid motherfucker. This nigga done went to college for all this shit now to rap. He done got shot. So they make rapping, shooting, and dying look cool when you got ball players wanting to rap, doctors wanting to rap, football players wanting to rap, preachers wanting to rap, everybody wanting to rap. So everybody's a rapper now. Nigga, I'm finna be rapping. If I can just find some kind of way to mumble that shit, but my brain won't retard where I can do it. But I want to do it so bad. I swear I do. All the gun teach you to do is kill. All the kid know the gun do is bang, bang, bang. A kid does not have the brain development to understand what this toy or tool is. In a kid's mind, this is a real gun. That's why when he go boom and you fall down and play dead, it's so exciting to the kid. That's why you see the rappers, when they make videos, they got the gun like this. Because it's a toy to them. That's why you see them, they be doing a video, they be doing this with the gun, because it's a toy to them, nigga. It's still a toy to them. That's why they get all the green lights and be doing that. Yeah, nigga, it's a toy to them. That's why they hold them with both hands in there and they be on them hoverboard. It's a toy to them. Yeah, the internet been caused a divorce between me and my wife, huh? No, man. Yeah, after this here, she might be putting antifreeze in the orange juice.
Do you feel like it's one of them things to where she's jealous of your success, or do you feel like it was something that you've done, like going to the strip club every night?
You goddamn right, that strip club, and goddamn let them little girl bounce all in my lap and all that type of shit. Yeah, coming home with that wet noodle dick. Yeah, nigga coming home with that wet noodle dick. Yeah, get at the yeah. You know that's what it is. You know a nigga fucked it off. Them niggas don't want to fight no more. They don't want to hurt no more. They stop raping niggas. They stop doing all kind of shit, nigga. And that's where all these boys here is at. Gonna come out, nigga, trying to give away gift cards at Walmart. Walmart say, man, get your motherfucking ass out of here. Nigga, we don't even want you associated with no nigga like you fresh out of jail trying to give away gift cards, nigga.
You know, he passed away, rest in peace to him.
He passed away fucking. The way I would like to go. Nigga dick hard dick, wet noodle legs, and a heartbeat beating fast in the motherfucker, because I've been fucking like a motherfucker. Hell, you talking about that's the way to go. Boy went out on top in style, nigga, with a nurse. Whether he bought the pussy, gave something for the pussy, the nigga single. That's a single man. He ain't married. He didn't get caught cheating. Oh, homie, I'm a grown motherfucking man. What the fuck I look like sitting down with Jay Prince?